network issue. I just tell you the answer.
This
Like
call is
you,
now being recorded.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Sir,
Yashodhan.
basically, this program is started, as you already like mentioned. This was during the pandemic time also, sir. But definitely, you didn't had idea about this company at that time, sir. That was the only issue because we started like near about. It's been one year, I guess, for online because we are imparting knowledge. We are providing internship. We are providing training from the last 1 year. But yeah, you got to know so late, sir. That's what the only
Shraddha
thing.
ma'am,
Okay, okay, okay,
thank you
sir.
so
No
much.
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Uh,
No problem, man.
guys,
Yes, sir.
let me introduce myself. Myself Vinayak Saxena. I am the Edu program developer and the chief marketing head at the organization. And I must really appreciate the query raised by our prospective intern. Guys, let me add one point here. This complete concept of internship is not only internship. This is basically a CITP, a comprehensive internship come training program where we are focusing not only on a small internship, we are focusing on creating a skill developed, youthful potential for Indian economy targeting the next 2025 economy. In a briefer note, guys, this is basically a skill development approach where we're inviting the technical and the managerial people to upgrade their skills as per the need of the corporate market. Whereas you learn in a college, this internship is not just for learning, it's for showcasing your decision making power. And I will be really awaiting to have a bit more word with you people once we are done with the official induction. I will be awaiting with few more questions to have a more vigorous discussion about the, the scope of internship. So, guys, am I clear now? What say? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, Shadama, we shall be moving towards the main induction and then we shall be awaiting the queries and the more and more questions to have a better idea about the program.
Yes, sure, sir.
Please, ma'am.
Sakshi, ma'am, over to you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Vinayak, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so guys, all the queries will be solved at the end of the induction. Okay, so till the time, whatever queries you have, just note down or jot down in your mind. So it will be easy for you to get the answer by the seniors. Okay, so first of all, a warm welcome to everyone. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, and Sat Sri Akal to all the interns who have given their precious time and efforts to be a part of this company, which name as Career Dreams Educations. Well, I just like as I'm moving forward with this thought in mind, career dreams education, I just have one quotation coming to my mind. Outstanding leaders go to out of the way to boost the confidence and self-esteem of their employees, accomplish their dreams, and come the best of it. Career what now you're thinking, what is career dreams education? First of all, I want to thank each one of you, my interns, coordinators, team partners, everyone who have given their precious time and efforts to be a part of this induction today of Technophilia 1.0. Career Education is an education oriented skill development enterprise. We are solemnly committed to provide clients with education assistance, education solution, and of course, the training come internship programs. Now, see guys, you all must be wondering, we are a family. Now, family is being accomplished with certain pillars, right or wrong? Is that right or wrong? Anyone? Yes or no? Like family has been accommodated by certain pillars without whom the family is incomplete. Can I
Yep.
get some answers, guys? It doesn't seem it's looking more linear, like looking more talking. So before I tell you about the pillars, can I get those chat box fill those amazing emojis of fire, clapping, so that I can feel like that you're totally motivated to be a part of this induction? Like how much interested you are to part of this technophilia's induction, like technical induction, because you're technical kings and queens. So can I get those, chat box fill both those motivation or how you are feeling, how like what is going on inside your inside, because we are virtually like it's lockdown, yeah. So we are virtually door with each other. So these emojis will be the best way to crack at the confidence and motivation. Then only I will move further with the pillars without whom the current education family is incomplete. And what is CD actually? So let it to be a little suspense. Okay? Till the time you're just filling those chat box with those amazing emojis, guys. Come on. how much you are feeling. What is the craze for the technical people? What you really want to become? Come on, guys. There are 96 people. I'm just getting 10 or 20. Is that technical are so low in their confidence? Come on, show me your confidence, guys. Let's crack it together. Still वो मजा नहीं आया मुझे. Please, Phil, come on, fast, first sprint, fast part, first type. Come on, guys, come on. Then I'll tell you one thing. Good, very good, good, very good. That's called amazing click. Good, guys, come on, keep going. And also, one is very good. AVS that's coming. Oh my god, that's really good, guys. That's really good. Keep yourself as this much enthusiastic. Also, guys, I tell you one thing that will make you more and more excited. Career Dreams Education is, guaranteed, or I can say registered under AICTE. Anyone knows what is AICTE? Because you're technical interns. Anyone knows what is AICTE, guys? AICTE. Very easy. Come on, anyone. Ipsita, you know what is AICTE?
All India Council of Technical Education.
Yeah.
Who's that? Who gave the perfect answer in just one click? Can I know the name? So that we can clap for you.
Kundan Chowdhury.
Kundan Chaudhary. That's amazing, sir. That's really good. Come on, guys, clap for him. We will feel good. Come on, everyone. Open on the mic. Unmute yourself. AICT means very good, guys. That's amazing. AICT means All Indian Council of Technical Education. Also, we are certified under ISO. Anyone know what's ISO? ISO means International Standard Organization. Now, हमने जो clap किया था. Let me tell about the pillars. We have Mr. Karthik Gotwal, sir. Come on, guys, clap. Who is Chief Executive Head at Career Dreams Education, the founder of Career Dreams Education, Mr. Karthik Gotwal, sir. Guys, don't miss those claps, please. Come on, welcome our seniors, the pillars. Also, we have Miss Renu Bora ma'am, who is Chief Marketing and Strategic Head and Administrative Counseling Head. We have Mr. Vinayak Sinha, sir, who is there in the meeting. Mr. Vinayak Sinha, sir, who is Financial and Marketing Head at Career Dreams Education. We have Mr. Rajiv Gupta, sir, and Ria Jain ma'am, the Managing and the Technical Coordinator at Career Dreams Education. Come on, guys, don't miss those labs. These are the seniors without whom the Career Dreams Education family is incomplete. Now, tell me one thing. What is the thing which motivates you a lot? What is that one thing which motivates you a lot? That one thing that inspires you a lot. What is that? Education? Get training from a particular organization. What is that?
Training from particular organization.
And you know what? Be identification twice that solution. Training come internship program. Now, guys, keep that breath whole. You pull up the socks. Now I'm forwarding my mic to Ms. Shraddha Mishra, ma'am, who will be explaining you about the internship, and the curiosity will be now over finally. Shraddha, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All the best, ma'am. Keep rocking. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, hello and a very good evening to one and all present here. Like, it's really a very good and a very pleasant privilege of mine to welcome you all in this induction meet of Career Dreams Education in association with Technophilia 1.0. So, I am Shraddha Mishra, one of the core team members of Career Dreams Education. So, basically, we all know that alone we can do so little, right? But together, we can do so much or almost everything. And we are happy to have you all as our team members. A big congratulations to you all for this new role as an intern here in Career Dreams Education. So give me just 2 minutes. Let me just share my screen. So is my screen visible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not visible. Yes, ma'am, now visible.
Now
Okay.
it is presenting, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you, ma'am. So, yeah, as you all can see on the screen, the name of the company, that is Career Dreams Education. So, let me have just some quick raw idea. What do you get by this name? Like, according to you, what comes in your mind when you say Career Dreams Education together? What is the thing that comes in your mind? Anyone, just some quick and some raw ideas from your side? Anyone can like tell? Please, guys, be a bit interactive so that I can know that you are listening to us.
Guys, interaction means bonding, creation, and the creativity level of every individual. So if you have guts, come on, wake up and say that what is for you. Come on, guys, don't feel shy. We are the same age group, guys. Come on.
Okay, I think they want answer from my side only. Okay, no issues. Let me answer this, guys. So, as the name itself says, career dreams education means we all want to build a career. Like everyone over here wants to have a career that is full of stars and full of success for them. We have a dream for it, right? And what we do for it, like if we are dreaming it for a better and the best career, what we do for it? We work on our education, right? So, this is the name Career Dreams Education. Here, we provide you guidance, mentorship, support, and teachings. As a student, we also mentor you all for your dream career so that you can achieve the career that you want for yourself. So, we are also we are situated in Jaipur Divya Mall, Lal Kochi area. As you all can see on the screen, we are recognized under MSME Act, Government of India. We are also recognized by State Government of Rajasthan. We are having the approval of approved guidelines of AICTE. As Sabaksham already mentioned what AICTE means, right? We are also having ISO certified ISO certifications with us. That is ISO 9001-2015. So like you all can see, it feels very proud to announce all these recognitions and certifications for the company. Definitely it feels like, wow, I am a part of the company that is having so much of accreditations and we are having so much of things with us. So as you all can see, Skill India initiative, it is it is majorly the area where we work with Skill India initiative. We provide comprehensive internship come training program. Okay, like not just a normal internship like where we go, we work for like number of days we are there and we leave. No, it is internship come training program. Yes, not only your internship, guys, we work for your training also. We give time for your training. We try that we how much we can give you opportunities, how much we can make you develop more and more. And as you all can see here, we invite young minds. Like we not only work for like professionals and qualifieds only. Like every company wants professionals and qualifieds. But here we try to give opportunity to each and every person, whether it be a fresher, whether it be a graduate, whether it be a UGPG student, MBA, PG, PGDM aspirants, or its pass outs. We are having or we are having technical students, tech lancers, students, and if we get opportunity, like if any professional is also applying, we also call out them for this internship. Because yes, here we always work for opportunities. Definitely you are given an opportunity. It doesn't matter that you are a fresher or you are qualified and you are having a lot of experience. We treat each and every intern on the same level and we give you the same level of training that each and every intern must get. So as you all can see on the screen, candidates, we also provide you work with the live project, online administrative managerial work, assignments and tasks with practical operational performance and business orientations. We give you opportunity to work with the core professional qualified team. Like our professional qualified team will work with you and will work with your work pace so that you can achieve your targets and you can be able enough to be a part of competitive business environment. So the program guidelines of our company are based on the concept of learn, perform, training, execution, and achievement. So, can anybody tell that there's just a raw idea what is learning in your view? Like, what do you think learning is? Can anybody tell? What do you understand by the term learning? Like, we all learn, we all say we are learning from the childhood, we are learning, but what is learning? Anything? Anyone? Anything you want to add on? Please, guys, be a bit
Yeah.
interactive. Yeah, Yukta, ma'am, please.
Yeah. Learning, in my sense, it's experience. Experience of your
Yes.
life, of your journey.
Okay, that's really great.
Gaining
Okay.
knowledge.
Yeah, definitely. Learning is to get knowledge about present things and the future possibilities. Because if we are getting the knowledge about present thing only and not thinking about the future possibilities, definitely we are going to fail. So we need to have the present knowledge, present things knowledge, and the future possibilities knowledge also. We are having performance. That is, if we are learning it, if we are having the knowledge of it, so definitely we must know how can we bring that into action. So that's the performance. We are having training, that is upgradation of your knowledge, your skills, and yourself too. And the next we are having is execution, that is systematic performance, not just doing it, but doing it in a systematic way so that we can achieve the best of our things. And last one is achievement, definitely. And at the end of the internship, whatever you're learning you will be getting now, that is the ultimate achievement that you will get. So can anybody of you please read this out, our functional management team, please. Please read this out for me, guys. Please, any one of you, please.
Come on, guys, read the paragraph. See, we want to check how good you are communicating, your communication skills are. Come on, anyone? Rani ma'am, will you get this initiative, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So it's a functional management team, which includes administrative management team, the career council team, marketing team, education R&D team, HR management team, financial management, strategy designing and business development team, technical team, and data management team.
Thank you so much, Rani ma'am. So these are our functional management team that right now Rani ma'am read. Okay. So comprehensive internship cum training program. It is a value oriented approach. Okay. Because yes, values are required everywhere. If we are an intern or we are employed, but value must be there. We must abide by our values. It is a value oriented approach to help the aspirants develop business skills and professional values so as to inoculate an ethical sense of responsibility and a passion to strive for target achievement. Welcome to Skillgram. Basically, Skillgram is made up of two words. First one is skill that we all know, and gram is a word, like there is a Hindi word that we all know. Gram means gaon. Okay, so this is a skill gram. Basically, this is a place, a village full of skills where you can achieve most of your things. You can achieve your skills, you can enhance your skills. So these are like career dreams education, and these are our functional subunits for specialized services. We are having career dreams educations, the main unit. We are having Technophilia 1.0, our technical unit, Innovations for Life. We are having Money Batters, our financial unit. We are having Business Now, our entrepreneurial unit. And last but not the least, definitely internships along with placement support services. We are having Insta Placements, the all-in-one placement solutions. So like all these things under one roof, not only management, not only technology, not only finance, not only entrepreneur, but placements, like including all those things and all those things under one roof, that is career dreams education. We are the all-in-one solution point for education and business development. So these are the domains of internship that are available at Career Dreams Education at its functional subunit. That is general management internship, including HR, marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing with Career Dreams Education. We are having technical internship domains. You all might be well aware of all the domains. That is at Technophilia 1.0. We are having financial internship domain at Money Batters and entrepreneurship development internship at Business Now. So now, moving forward to the major role for which you all are here, right? You all are here being a part of Technophilia 1.0. You all are those technologically freak people, technophilians. So yeah, here at Technophilia, we're signifying a strong enthusiasm for technology. We all know that this world is full of technology, right? This world is the technology world. Digital era is going on. So if we are technologically sound, we are definitely going to achieve a lot. So here at Technophilia, we cherish new technologies. We build contemporary technology with life-oriented solutions, life-oriented tech solutions. In Technophilia, we are the bunch of technology freak people. Yeah, we all know that we all are technology freak. Like Technophilians are technology freak. That's why they all are Technophilians. We are a bunch of technology freaks, so-called first-generation technophilians, solemnly committed for conceptualizing, initiating, and creating varied technical tools and tech promotion platforms, pooling up tech-oriented minds and tech passion at one place, serving as a virtual tech lab, a research lab, right? Like if we are from biology domain or from like physics domain or from chemistry domain, we are having our lab, right? We are having a research lab. So Technophilia is a virtual tech lab where you can do research. You can like make new and new things as much as possible. We always give that opportunity. We always give that freedom that you can bring up your innovative ideas. You can research here and bring up your innovative and creative ideas for this. Technophilia 1.0 nurtures young innovations, expanding the wings of fire so that you can fly a high in the sky of technology, soaring high into the infinity that unleashes the era of technology. A line of tech experts, tech professionals, tech developers, tech faculties. Technophilia 1.0 is an euphoria for tech lovers, where innovation for life underlines our every endeavor towards a better future, a better world, a better life. So, as you all can see, these are our functional wings basically. Can anybody please read this out? Our functional wing. So, like you all can come on your own, or I'll be calling out another name for reading it out. Can anybody read this?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Our functional wings includes technical HR management, technical marketing management, technical content and graphics design, technical research and analysis wing. That's all includes in our functional wings.
That's great. So, our functional wings, as sir already read, it's technical HR management, technical marketing management, technical content and graphic designing, technical research and analysis wing. These are our core operational areas: web designing and development. That includes web designing with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, with PHP, ASP.NET, Python, Node.js, Java, and Python. We also have Android and app development. We have graphic designing. We have e-commerce handling, social media handling, cyber security mechanism, and artificial intelligence mechanism. So technical HR management, like what do you guys think? Like for a technical people, is it enough to have the technological knowledge only? What do you think? Like write a yes or no in the chat box. Like if you are technologically sound, is it okay or is it enough for you? If you are like you are having a lot of knowledge about technology, but is it okay? Like is it enough for your business if you are handling any? Yeah, you all agree to this. Yes. Along with technical, what is the other thing that you need? According to you, what is the thing that you need other than technology? You should also have communication skills. Okay, yes, sir. Anyone else?
Soft skills.
Soft skills. Yeah, right. Management and
Interpersonal
communication
skills.
skills. Yes, sir. What did you say?
Interpersonal skills.
Okay. Yes. Like you all are socially very aware that along with technological knowledge, you need management skills that includes all these things. That includes your personality as well as your behavior and your skills. So definitely here in Technophilia, we are having our HR management team that works on co-recruitment, intimation calling, interview calling, confirmation mailing, and induction meet management, HR database, and certification and documentation management. So as you all already agreed to it, that along with technology, we need HR also. So as HR is like HR also needs marketing, right? So as a technical person, you also need to have the marketing knowledge. Technical product marketing, technical courses marketing, institutional marketing, social media marketing, and technical event marketing. Technical content compilation and customization is also a part of our technophilia. That includes textual content writing and compilation, images and graphic designing, videos and MP4 designing and formatting. So this is the core technophilia wing, that is our research and analysis wing. This is the core wing of technophilia. We provide tech solutions to business challenge, technical client customization, technical product orientation and development, technical feasibility analysis, reviewing with tech assessment, innovation and incubation assistance. So yeah, these are the benefits of the program, because if you're enrolling for the internship, okay, not only internship, I got it wrong, CITP, that is comprehensive internship cum training program, you must have the knowledge of the benefit of this program. The first benefit is practical business exposure, as you will be working on different projects, different things and different learning. So we are going to give you practical business exposure. We will also recognize you with certificate of internship. We will recognize you, your performance appraisal with certification of work excellence. You can also avail cash rewards and performance based incentives. Like this was something very beneficial, right? This is something about money. Definitely, if you are working of like if you are working as of a standard level, we are going to reward you with cash and monetary incentives. You can also avail job oriented HR training with personality development sessions and skill enhancement sessions. You can avail multiple interview opportunities to maximize your chances of final placement in diverse industries. So you should know how to apply. First of all, you'll fill up the internship application form, you'll upload your CV, you will complete the HR internship procedure and enrollment in the program with official letter of training. This is our internship enrollment procedure that will include your CV receipt and proliferation, intimation call, interview call, selection confirmation call, confirmation mail, and induction invitation mail, induction meet that you are already having, profile assessment presentation, and issuance of official letter of internship. So you all are joining like a general intern. As you all can see this hierarchical framework of our company. So you all can see this hierarchy. You all are joining as a general intern, but you hold a very good chance and a very positive chance to be the team leader in the coming future, in the coming time. Because definitely, if your working is like a leader, we will provide you opportunity to be a team leader, then to be a team head, then a project manager, and the ultimate team coordinator. On the basis of your working, we can provide you this much hierarchical opportunities for you. Our internship period extension policy. So if you want, you can go for like you all are already here for 45 days internship, right? So after that, you can have 60 days, 75 days, 90 days, 120 days, 150 days, and 180 days. That is the maximum extension that we can allow for the internship period. So these all are the periods. As for your availability, you can extend your internship. So yeah, these are the internship registration fees that you all can see on the screen. Diamond internship at 500 rupees. And what are the benefits? Like if you're thinking like if we are paying 500, we must know what benefits are we going to get. So wait a minute, let me tell you what are the benefits that you will get. You are going to get 8 ISO recognized certificates. And ISO, like you might be thinking we are talking about ISO. But what is it? Basically, it is a recognition that not only works here in India, but it works in foreign countries also. If you will go with this certificate, like normal certificate, if you'll get, if you go outside of India, that certificate will be of no value for you. But if that is ISO recognized, that is international standard recognized, that certificate will hold a good value for you, even if you're outside India also. So if you have opted for diamond internship, you are going to get 8 ISO recognized certificate, 45 days internship program, 2 training program, 1 technical event, 2 workshops, 1 technical business competition, letter of reference from our side, placement support services for 6 months, personalized corporate CV, and video profile. These are the benefits. And if you are opting for platinum internship, that is at 400 rupees, you are going to get 7 ISO certificates, 45 days internship, 1 inclusive training program, 1 technical event, 2 workshops, 2 technical business competition, letter of reference, placement support services for 3 months, personalized corporate CV, and video profile. And these are the other, including gold and silver. In gold, as you can see, 6 ISO certificates are there, 45 days internship, 1 inclusive training program, 1 technical event, 1 workshop, 1 technical business competition, letter of reference, and personalized corporate CV. 5 ISO, like in the silver, we are having silver at 200 rupees. We are having 5 ISO certificates, 45 days internship, 1 training, 1 technical event, 1 workshop, and letter of reference. So as per our certification policy, you can avail these certifications during your internship with us. So 2 certificates are basically confirmed for yourself, right? That is certificate of internship. On the completion of internship, you will get it, and certificate of work excellence for your good working. And the other certifications that you can get is certificate of recognition for being the project head of any program or project. For you can also get certificate of appreciation for being multidimensional role during internship. Certificate of leadership if you are assessed as a team leader or team head. Certificate of participation for participating in any event. Certificate of acknowledgement for playing key role at executive level. Certificate of excellence for achieving the standard performance. Certificate of ethical professional conduct for exemplifying high degree of behavioral and professional integrity. Certificate of innovation if you have developed and executed any innovative modules. Certificate for knowledge excellency, hosting a knowledge oriented webinar with R&D insights into the concerned knowledge domain as a main speaker. And this is our disciplinary code of conduct for interns. We are having a zero tolerance policy wherein you have to follow some of the rules for yourself during the internship. Okay, so like as we all know that we all are working here, but there must be some strictness, there must be some disciplinary sort of conduct, disciplinary code of conduct, so that we can have a very good working environment for ourselves as well as for our co-interns and team leaders, so that we don't harm anyone's space for ourselves. Yeah, so like your working hours are definitely 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sunday will be off for you. Daily tasks will be assigned to you. All interns, you have to update your tasks to the respective team leaders as per your time. And no one is allowed to randomly text or call anyone, be it a male or a female intern. Such an act won't be entertained and will lead to your internship termination. So it's responsibility of each and every intern working with us to give respect to all the team leaders and other seniors, as well as to your co-interns, whether it be a male or a female person. Failure to comply with this code of conduct, it may call for immediate termination of yours. So Career Dreams Educations reserves the sole right to take the decision with regard to any policy and issue related to comprehensive internship cum training program. And as we already mentioned, our core management that includes Mr. Karthik Gotwal sir, founder and chief executive head, Ms. Renu Bora ma'am, central counselor and chief operating head, Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, edu program developer and chief marketing and financial head. At the executive level, we are having Mr. Rajiv Gupta sir, managing head general management, Ms. Riya Jain ma'am, managing head Technophilia 1.0, Ms. Jaisal Gotwal ma'am, managing head Business Now, Mr. Rajat Sharma, managing head Insta Placements. You can see our presence, our registered office in Jaipur. We are having a registered office at Jaipur. We are having a branch office at Udaipur and Abu Road also. You can get connected with us on our official website. You can also mail us on our official mail. You can join us and stalk us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You can contact us on these given numbers. So let me move you to the Technophilia 1.0 brochure, wherein you will get to know all the people who are going to be with you throughout this journey of your career dreams education summer internship, like comprehensive internship come training program, guys. So let me move you to your trainers as well as your seniors. So you all can see on the screen our vision, right? So our vision is to serve our clients with the most tech-friendly yet professional and client-customized approach. We uphold the vision of interest, initiative, and innovation, exhibiting core committed, concrete efforts backed up by sound and proficient technical team, upgraded knowledge, persistent research, and extensive resource compilation. We strive for excellence, forging long-run professional relationship based on trust, honesty, and reliance. So these are our core operational areas: web designing development, graphic designing, Android app development, social media handling, SEO and digital marketing, cybersecurity mechanism, e-commerce handling, and AI mechanism. This is our team that I already mentioned: Mr. Karthik Gotwal sir, Mr. Vanayak Saxena sir, and Ms. Renu Bohra ma'am. Our team also includes Ms. Jaya Pawar ma'am, knowledge partner and technical mentor, Mr. Rajiv Gupta sir, managing head and technical coordinator, Ms. Ria Jan ma'am, with whom you will be in regular contact throughout your internship, managing head and technical coordinator. We are having our developer team. Our developer team includes Mr. Himanshu Verma sir, web and Android developer, Mr. Teja Karna sir, web developer, Ms. Chandni Kukreja ma'am, front-end developer, Mr. Jitendra Pradhan sir, front-end developer, Mr. Chitransh Suman sir, Android app developer, Ms. Shreyansh Kambalkar sir, Android app developer. So these are our core project that we have run till now. That is our own Career Dreams Education's website. These are the projects that our technophilians have done till now. So that is the Career Dreams Education's our own website, a quiz website, intern management system. You all can see all the technologies that are used with this technology, that is PHP, with all these things. Other core projects including our Money Barters website, Dekho College website, intern management system, e-commerce website, and our own Technophilia website. Android app development. So these all are our core projects that we have done till now, core working that our team have done till now. So we are done with it. Can we have Vinayak sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
sir.
Shraddha
Over to
ma'am,
you, sir.
for giving us a brief idea of all about Technophilia, where innovation is for life. To all you new interns, the youth of technology, guys, welcome to Career Dream Education, the specialized technical wing, Technophilia. Till now, I hope you are clear with this idea of what is technical internship with training. We shall be having cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, machine learning, web designing, Android, e-commerce, and digital part of this Technophilia. Also, we will be having graphic designing and technical content writing related to technical research as much as possible. So guys, this is the working layout of Technophilia. Now, I would be expecting queries from your side. If you have some questions related to the working, let me know. Then I shall proceed further. Is there any query regarding your working profile? Okay, let me proceed further. Guys, as a part of this internship cum training program, you will be having a paid package which starts from 200 rupees, 300, 400, and 500 rupees. Shraddha ma'am, may we have the presentation? Or Ria ma'am, may we have the presentation
sir.
here regarding the packages applicable to Technophilia? Guys, as a part of internship, along with internship, you will be getting free workshops, training sessions, business competition, live project handling with maximum recognition and certificate policy. In that case, the certificate and the opportunity given to you people, you can just have a look at the screen, having the 500 rupees package, the 500 rupees for 45 days, it is the one-time registration fees you need to pay to book your registration seat. In this package, you will be having 2 workshops, 2 trainings, 2 business competition. Also, placement support will be there, and our HR team, the human resource team, will be designing your CV, and we will be giving you placement support services even after the internship. So guys, सिर्फ internship तक नहीं, even after the internship, we will be supporting you throughout your career journey with technical support, management support, and placement support. Ultimately, this internship is for Skill India. We are creating the manpower of India. We are creating the technical people of India for the upcoming economies of 2025, where India will be competing with the global technical countries. Guys, if you are best in web designing, get set to show your competencies so that you can match the global standard. Ultimately, the internship is having the ISO recognition. So if I go for the monetary values, the 500 rupees package, again, a 400 rupees package, then 300 and 200. We have taken a very comprehensive package. With every package, the benefits keeps on increasing. Now, as a point of conclusion, the complete idea of Technophilia comes to end here. Also, I will be presenting one more file. Shraddha ma'am, may we have the badges file here? The badges and the honors given to
Yes,
the
sir.
interns. Okay, Sanket, you have got a question. What we will get in terms of knowledge? Okay.
Just wait, guys. I think sir is having a network glitch. He'll join back.
Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, sir.
As for the
Sir.
internship program, yeah, you will be rewarded the certificate along with variety of badges, medal, and recognition which will boost your career profile. Guys, once you are done with the internship, सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेट काफी नहीं होगा. सर्टिफिकेट के साथ आपके सीवीज के लिए, आपके करियर प्रोफाइल के लिए, we have got a multiple recognition policy where we have the winners and achievers trophies, the badges of honor, the tokens, and the medals of excellence that shows आपने किस level का काम किया होगा. This is all about a competition. In the 45 days, the person having the best performance will be given certificate along with more and more medals and honor that shows आपकी competencies कितनी strong है. If you go to an interview, the person who is taking the interview, he will definitely ask you, what have you done in the internship? At that point of time, these medals will speak for you that this person has created this technical project in Technophilia Career Dream Educations. So guys, whole and whole, every effort, जो मेहनत आप लोग करेंगे, the project which you are dealing with, the technical areas where you are working, that will be recognized, but you need to show your best potential. You need to show your knowledge. Even if you don't know, अगर आपको नहीं आता है, feel free to speak up. अगर आपको नहीं आती है कोई चीज, उसे बताइए, अपने trainers को बताइए that I don't know this knowledge area. The trainers will help you getting the knowledge, using the knowledge to perform in this internship. So we have the different categories. We have the winners and achievers award here. The next slide, please, ma'am. Then as we go on, as the performance increases, the badges, the medals go on increases. The more medals, the more badges you got, the more efficient is your performance and the more higher is your placement opportunity. The badges of honor, when you do something excellent, getting a target completed, in these areas, the badges are given to you along with the different ribbons here. On the same note, in your certificate, you will be getting a seal of accomplishment, a seal of outstanding performance, the golden seal, the silver seal, the blue colored seal. These seals are very important to show how special you are. Like internship में सब लोग आए हैं, everybody is performing, but what is the rank of performing? That makes a difference. So guys, here we have come to the next slide. The next slide, please, ma'am. May we have the next slide? Okay. And the ISO. Guys, being an ISO recognized company, the certificate given to you will be ISO. But the level of ISO will be based on your performance. The golden ISO, the emerald ISO, the red colored ruby ISO, and the ultimate, the mega ISO. These ISO depends on your net added value, the performances given by you in terms of monetary efforts. So guys, ultimately ये आपकी शुरुआत है. It's the beginning of your internship. You definitely see in the coming days, we have more and more experiences, knowledge, and opportunities for all of you. In case you have some queries, we shall be awaiting your queries and your questions to help you with more easiness. So any queries here? And by the end of this session, guys, once you are starting your internship right from tomorrow onwards, one main thing, internship is completely virtual. So you have to maintain the discipline and values throughout your internship. You have to speak in a very polite manner. Whenever you're talking to a boy or girl, you have to add sir and madam. Sir or ma'am, Sanjeev sir, Manish sir. You can't say directly Sanjeev or Manish. You have to say sir. Every time a message is given in your group, you have to acknowledge yes or no. You have received the message, give a response. Yes, I have it. You have to maintain discipline and do not go out of the limit. Dignity and respect of each other. I mean to say, don't be slang in your behavior. बदतमीजी और शिष्टाचार का ध्यान रखिएगा अपने व्यवहार में. And also, we do have a very strict policy. In case a person is not behaving, he is not working as per the standard code, he is terminated immediately. Not only terminated, we will give a blacklisting letter to the college that this person has performed in a very careless manner and he is not eligible for the placement. It will be communicated to your college, and on a very personal note, it will be communicated to you through personal mail. So make sure you don't do such mistakes which disturb your profile. I'll still be awaiting. If you got some queries, I'm asking if you have some queries, let me know.
Sir,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, quotation.
ma'am,
Yes, please. Yes, sir, please.
ma'am said about extension of internship. Is there any extra amount to be paid if we?
No, sir. No. As I told you, this is a one-time registration fees. You can start your training internship for 45 days. You can go to 60, 75, 90, 120, 150, and highest 180 days. So once you completed the 45 days period, you can extend your internship. And you can have the attention on the screen, guys. This is the zero tolerance policy followed by Career Team Educations. We do not allow any person to behave in an unethical manner, harming the dignity of a girl or boy. Zero tolerance means zero tolerance. In simple words, बदतमीजी होने पर we will not allow a person कि नहीं sorry बोलो. Immediately termination and immediately a negative feedback will be given to the college. Not only your career will be disturbed, but your future placement will be disturbed. So these are the areas where we have taken a very strict policy. And on a very serious note, if we find any technical person, any management person doing cyber crime related to data management or any such kind of cyber harassment with girls and boys, we have to take a legal action as per the Indian Penal Code. So if you go beyond a limit, there are chances of getting an FIR if we find you unethically doing a cyber crime or cyber harassment in the internship. So guys, on a very positive note, let's keep the positivity and move ahead towards the internship with all good feelings. Ultimately, it's all the best. And remember, guys, in Technophilia, we create innovations, something new. Innovations for life. So if you are having the passion to create new technologies, to create new areas of knowledge, most welcome to Technophilia 1.0.
सर
This will be. Yes, Siddharth, please.
सर जो हमें लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन मिलने वाला है वो प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन परफॉर्मेंस मिलेगा या ऑन एनी हाउ हमें मिलेगा वो
See,
लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन?
it is based on performance. As I told you, comprehensive का मतलब ये होगा every day your performance will be judged. Every day, your honesty, sincerity, how alert you are, how is your behavior, all these things will be checked. Accordingly, the LOR will be given.
ओके
Sir,
Yes, Dwarka sir, please.
sir, if sir in such case we can't perform our task. जैसे कि सर दिख रहा है कि कॉलेजेस चल रहे हैं, साथ के साथ क्लासेस चल रही हैं एंड हमारे प्लेसमेंट्स आर रनिंग ऑन.
Right, Dwarka sir. Sir,
So in
we
case,
give you 100% flexibility. If you are having some personal work, you are engaged somewhere, please inform your team leader, कि sir, I am engaged, I will be late.
Okay,
So
thank
we
you.
give you flexibility. If you have exams, you can take a break. You can send a message from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, I will be in the exams. Do not disturb me. So you will not get any call or any such disturbances during the exam hours. So, and also, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. But it is not compulsory. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप रात को काम कर सकते हैं, it is your flexibility. Just maintain communication. Just maintain the communication.
Okay, sir.
Vinayak sir.
The what we say, the measurement to the letter of recommendation. We have a certificate policy, but guys, you can see on the screen, learning, reading, listening, creative thinking, career development, teamwork, organization effectiveness, all these things will be taken. Okay, Shashas, I'm really sorry the
Vinay,
voice is
sir?
breaking. I think the network is quite poor in my area.
Ma'am, sir, can I
So-
add information, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Please,
So
Gabi,
guys,
sure.
as Vinayak sir told all the things about the internship, about the period, and also what things you are getting, the letter of recommendation, other stuff. So, like when guests appear in the family, they are be treated with certain good things, right? So in career education also, we are giving you a workshop tomorrow, okay, a free workshop, okay. So basically, the workshop will be on WordPress, okay, where you will design a professional website for live business growth. You will also get extensive technical training, okay. You will get live technical interactions. You will get certificate of participation. The workshop is tomorrow, like on 29, that is tomorrow. Timing will be 6 to 7 p.m. So all the technical people, you have to join that workshop. You can see the poster as well, guys. Shraddha ma'am is open. So this workshop will be on WordPress, okay, where you will learning technical growth, like technical business growth, website making, extensive technical training, technical interaction, and at last, this workshop is free. You will also get certificate, participation certificate. The workshop timing is 6 to 7 p.m. Okay, everyone, and it's tomorrow, 20 August 2021. Okay, so you all have to join that workshop. It is mandatory and it's free. So to gain extra knowledge and learning, it's better for you to join and learn new things. Okay, everyone, got it? Okay, yes, Vinayak sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, guys, we shall be welcoming you tomorrow, 6 p.m. at the knowledge session with WordPress web designing. So, we shall be waiting you guys for a mega learning session and more interactions towards great opportunities. And, guys, as we move ahead, more and more opportunities and challenges will be awaiting you. So, be more communicative. बात करिए और अपनी बातों को रखिए. That's the way we create trust in this internship. So guys, now we have come to the conclusion. So can a person non-technical background? Definitely, sir. Prerna ma'am, definitely. As I told you, अगर आपको नहीं आता है, आपको सिखाया जाएगा. We will give you teaching and training. We will give you a basic idea. Also, guys, let me invite you one thing. You are interns for 45 days, but for non-technical people, we have a special program of 15 days. It is called Technical Campus Ambassador. It is a program for non-technical people for 15 days where we teach them how to make website in 15 days. In 15 days, we will teach you how to make website at a very nominal fees of 300 rupees per registration. So if you have your friends who are non-technical, but they want to know technology, जो जानना चाहते हैं वेबसाइट बनती कैसे है, होस्टिंग क्या होती है, डोमेन क्या होता है, सर्वर क्या होता है, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग क्या होती है. In 15 days period, we will be having a campus ambassador, the TCA, Technical Campus Ambassador. The batch will be starting 6th of September. So non-technical people are also invited for Technophilia. Definitely, ma'am. Amit sir, there will be a recorded session. If you miss, you can see a recorded session after 2 days, I can say. If you are having a session today, the recording will be uploaded at most within 2 days. So you can have a look there. Okay. Vaishnavi ma'am, definitely you can have your college 10 to 4. After 4 p.m., you can just communicate with your team leader in the group who is having. If you are having a web designing domain, the trainers will help you. And once you are done with the college, then you can go for the assignment. As I told you, ये flexible होगा. सिर्फ internship नहीं करनी है. The idea is all about practicing the knowledge. सीख लिया है, अब उससे practice करना है. Flexibility with related placement. Any more query? Definitely will be there. Rina ma'am, welcome for non-technical people also. Internship also, and for the 15 days program. So guys, any more queries? If so, you may let me know in the chat box. Okay, you're welcome, ma'am. So guys, we shall moving towards the conclusion of this meeting. Is getting 7:35 now. So let's take a break now. Okay, ma'am. I just got a query now. What about the stipend? Will we get any? Amrit sir, the stipend is based on your performance. In the 45 days internship, the beginning internship, we will judge your performance, your knowledge. Accordingly, your stipend will be starting from 500 rupees to 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, and maximum to 20,000. So in that case, within the first 30 days, I'm not saying 45, in the 30 days, we will judge you. We will see your performance. We will see how good you are in performing the technical projects. Accordingly, your payment will be started. And as Ria ma'am has dropped a message, to begin your internship, you may opt for a suitable package. Your official letter of joining will be given to you within 3 days. Today is getting Saturday, Sunday, Monday, at most by Tuesday, you will get the letter. Can we choose the non-technical package along? Let me have a look, ma'am. Okay, Anu ma'am, if you are comfortable, if you can say, yes, I can do 2 or 3 things at the same time, you can do web designing and Android, both, then you can go for a both package. And also, one more thing, guys, in Technophilia, not only technical, as non-technical means, जो लोग technology से नहीं जुड़े हैं, they can go for graphic designing, content making, they can go for HR management, they can go for technical marketing. So for non-technical people, we have HR management, marketing management, content writing, all these things, including data management. So in this internship, technical and non-technical, both will have equal opportunity. It depends on you, how best you can perform. Okay, ma'am, you're welcome here. So guys, as we have already moved on to the conclusion of this session, if I opted for, okay, in that case, sir, if you're extending your period, jitna samay, the more time you are in the internship, the more learning will be there. For example, in the beginning, there will be internship. In the beginning, internship. Then, if you are a good performer, then you can be the trainer. Let me add you one thing. You can be our official trainers and you can earn a good amount from 1,000, 5,000 to even 15 and 20,000. So if you are there in the internship for more than 100 days, you can become our technical trainer and you can take your own classes and thereby you can earn a good amount as well. Yes, Rajeshwari ma'am, definitely. In the initial part, the trainers will give you knowledge. Not only trainers, आपके जो team members and the team members will help you understanding what is cybersecurity. So it is not about performance. You will get learning and training regularly. Okay. I got a question about the placement. Placement support for 6 months. Okay. Devang sir, what actually happened once your internship is done? Okay, आपकी internship खत्म हो जाती है, but after internship, if you are looking for job, then our placement team will help you designing your CV. We will give you training how to give interview, कैसे देते हैं, how to perform in GD, how to give a group discussion. We will give you support services for training. And we will give you information about the job opportunities in technical area. So placement support means we will give you updates on WhatsApp, updates on mailing, for you. The backend, PHP, Python, languages are used depending on convenience. कि आप किस language में convenient है. Okay. Okay, Kundan sir, the same answer goes to you. As I told to Rajeshwari ma'am, if you are going for the first time, the trainers will help you. But guys, make sure one thing, सीखना आपको है. You have to learn. So you have to maintain your patience. If you are the beginner level, the trainers, the team will help you get the knowledge. But you have to be patient so that you can coordinate and learn the new areas. So machine learning or cybersecurity, you will get maximum knowledge and more training. Okay, ma'am, Apeksha ma'am, the sessions will be live. The sessions will be live and within 2 days it will be uploaded also so that you can take, if you miss it, you can take it from YouTube. So guys, as I told you now, as you go further, जैसे आप आगे जाएंगे, more and more queries will be raised. So just do it. Just be a part of internship. The more things you will learn, the more experiences you will get. And your queries will sort automatically. Okay, Sanket sir, let me have your question, please. Okay, for the cybersecurity, Sanket sir, I just add three things. In the beginning, you are intern. If you perform in a systematic manner, you can be the trainer. Level two, you can be a trainer who is giving training for cybersecurity. And if you are doing great, then we will give you live project related to cybersecurity. So in this internship, if you perform more, opportunities will be given to you more and more. As a trainer, as a technician, as a technical faculty, as a technical designer, as a technical developer. It depends how good you are in your domain. Okay, Palvi ma'am. Assignment, it depends on the team leader, how is giving you. Devang sir, okay, Anu ma'am, yes, there will be daily attendance. Ma'am, if you are having some personal work, you can drop a message. Ki I am going out, I will not be available for this and this day. So it will not be taken as absent. You have to inform your team leaders and trainers that I am out, so I will not be able to attend. Otherwise, it is 45 days continuous, it will be going on. How many projects can we have? Amrit sir, it depends on your working capacity. If you are having your own idea, आप चाहते हैं कि मैं खुद का कुछ प्रोजेक्ट बनाऊं, if you want to design your own project, a gaming project, a mobile application, then our team will coordinate and help you. If you have your own project, that's good, or we will give you a project to work with your team. अकेले आपको काम नहीं करना है. We will give you a team who will work with you. So guys, ultimately it's a team effort, huh? Not alone. Okay, as an intern, see, Sanket sir, exposure to vulnerabilities and pen testing, these things, definitely the exposure will be there. But you have to perform in a very enthusiastic manner. You have to show your interest. कि yes, मुझे करना है. You have to communicate. You have to discuss with your trainers. You have to discuss with your team leaders so that we can create more opportunities for cybersecurity and next level development. So once you start the internship, you will see a change, but you have to get involved. Huh? Today is the first day. So let us start the internship and then this question will be definitely satisfied. Let us see what is awaiting for you. It's a 45 days journey for you people. Okay, Anu ma'am, you will be taken in a WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, your team leader and your trainer will be specified. And one more thing, guys, don't worry. It will not happen sudden in one day. एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होगा. It will take 1 day, 2 day to get the things clear for you. In 1 day, एक दिन में ताजमहल नहीं बनेगा. We will go for step by step working. And Anu ma'am, in your letter, it will be mentioned if you are having diamond package of 500 rupees, platinum package of 400 rupees, gold package or silver package. It will be mentioned, your duties will be mentioned accordingly. And let me just check my folder. Okay, I'm just presenting a letter of how letter of joining will be given to you. How the letter of joining will be issued to you. This is the layout. You can just have a look at. Okay. The letter of internship, the date will be there, intern's ID, your job title, domain, and your job description will be there in your letter. And the terms and condition will be there. At the end, there will be seal and signature of the organization. Okay, definitely, Saket sir, you can upgrade the package. After taking a package, if you think कि I have taken 300, but I want to go for 500, you can make the additional payment. 300 है, 200 रुपए देकर आप पैकेज को अपग्रेड भी कर सकते हैं. And Varun sir, the project which you are going, Varun sir, the projects given to you depend on your capacity, if you can handle a live project or not. So, not only from Career Dream Education, we have project outsourcing policy. So we will give you third-party project, but you should have the knowledge to work on. So as I told you, na, you have machine learning. So in that case, step by step mentoring will be given to you. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि पहले दिन आपका project दे दिया जाएगा. On the first day, you will see the training. We will check your knowledge. We will see your working pattern, and then we will move ahead. So guys, am I clear to all of you? Okay, so it's getting almost 7:45 now. So we shall be awaiting a few more queries and we shall be moving ahead towards the final conclusion. Guys, wish you all the best and ultimately make this internship a life-changing experience for all of you. These 45 days will definitely bring a change in your career and your next prosperity. Thank you so much, guys, and wish you all the best for your future. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. What timing? Ma'am, the timing will be discussed in the group itself. Depending on your convenience. अगर आप लोग एग्जाम में बिजी हैं तो आपकी क्लासेस इवनिंग में होंगी. So it will be easy for you, flexible for you, and quite knowledge friendly. Just one thing, you have to perform. You have to perform to be the best. That's it, guys. So wish you all the best once again, and let's see what is awaiting for you the next site. And workshop, the link will be given to you in the group itself by tomorrow 5:45. 6 o'clock the workshop will be starting. So we will wait you by 6 p.m. at Google Meet for some new knowledge opportunities. Thank you so much, guys. Really, thank you so much, guys. And now you will
Sir?
take a break now. It's getting... Yes, ma'am. Satakshi, ma'am. Yes, please.
Sir, one more information to add, sir.
Please, ma'am.
Yes. Guys, see, the ones who have not done the payment yet of the technical like internship, okay? Because as sir told you, you will get things in the unpaid also. But if you come into paid or you do the payment, then definitely you will getting many things to learn and many opportunities as well that are made for your betterment. And I think the amount is not that much, guys. So be very particular and think twice. And those who have not done the payment, do it today or tomorrow. Ria ma'am will give you link. And also till 30th of August, batch will run. So if any of your friends are interested, do tell them about the internship and let them come with you. It will be easy and comfortable for you to do the internship with them. Thank you so much, sir.
Once again. So guys, I think the things are clear to you. So let's move ahead with some great positivity. And make sure, guys, by tomorrow, once you are joining the workshop, do clear your payment formalities and so that we can move ahead. So, Shraddha ma'am, Ria ma'am, and Sakshi ma'am,
Yes, sir.
we can just conclude
Yes,
the meet
sir.
over here and the participants
Yes,
will
sir.
leave now.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, everyone. So, hope you all have a very life-changing experience over here, and hope your 45 days or the number of days you are here to spend, definitely those days are full of knowledge and full of learning for you. All the best for your internship with us, and welcome you all. Thank you. Thank you for joining. You all three. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
guys,
much.
you can leave the meeting now. The meeting is already over.